Unlike other firms out there, we decided to build almost all of our technologies in-house. And the reason for doing so is, one, I guess most of the high-frequency trading platforms out there are still brand new and not quite as developed as we'd like. And the second reason is, it saves a lot of money, obviously. And then what we've built so far has been much better than what's currently on the market today. So, for instance, if something goes wrong with our platform, I'm able to go into my cell phone and literally, kill all the trades that are happening right now. So it's for a variety of reasons, but obviously what's important is that we have to hire the best people in the world to do something like this. So we do hire people with a very, very specific skill sets, coming from usually, major technology companies, and also people from other high-frequency trading firms who have had specific experiences, building order management systems or data feed handlers, things like that. So we co-locate our servers next to the exchange's matching engines in a variety of different locations. So you get your typical, near Chicago, New Jersey, New York, Toronto, Singapore. So a variety of locations around the world. And then we're still in the midst of co-locating as well in some other locations. So the reason why we do that is so, of course, the speed is really, really important. And so you get data from the exchanges at a much faster rate. And then I guess what's also important is that you have to be able to process the data really quickly. So especially if you're receiving raw data, you have to be able to clean it up really fast and find signals in that data and be able to react really quickly. So just being co-located there isn't quite enough. You have to be able to internally have really solid technologies to generate great signals to trade in the marketplace. These days we are pretty much almost at zero. It's as fast as it's going to get. The latency is, as low as it's going to get for quite a while now. And so what is important for a lot of firms today is actually being one of the smartest as well as one of the fastest. So you can't just, have a bunch of fast strategies and win that way anymore. It's more about, can you have great technologies to be fast and also be smart with a lot of things. And then there's a little bit of optimization involved, because sometimes having sophisticated strategies slows down. It actually increases the latency. And so we have to be able to figure out, what is the optimal, should we be the fastest, or should we be, less fast but a little bit more sophisticated. And so right now we're kind of, we're capable of being one of the fastest, I'll say that. But at the same time, we do focus on a lot of sophisticated strategies as well. Optimization does change a lot, actually. In fact, we revise our strategies pretty often, I would say. So it does change depending on not just the daily market conditions, but also between different markets. So depending on where you're trading, what the rules are, what the regulations are, and also how sophisticated those exchanges are. We have to be very specific and tailor each strategy towards specific conditions that happen every day.